Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. This is Abdi Muhammad Noor, who will be taking for you mathematics form for today. Our class of discussion will be statistics 2, which is the one form 4. And under that, we are going to learn what we normally call mean of the data grouped into classes. My brothers and sisters, form 4s of this year 2020, make sure you take advantage of this program going on. I will be giving you examples and assignment. Then make sure you do the assignment. Okay? I'll be giving you examples from every concept of mathematics with the exercise at the end, so that you understand better this thing. Guys, when you want to get mean of grouped data that are grouped into classes, there are procedures and methods to be followed. Then I will show you the steps to be followed and how you're going to calculate. Without wasting time, my brothers and sisters, let's go and see examples from this kind of concept of mathematics. Let's say this is example 1. Example 1, the number of accidents. You are told the number of accidents that took place at a black spot. At a black spot on a certain day. On a certain day. Or on a certain road, let's say, on a certain road. On a certain road. In 2008 were recorded as follows. As what? As follows. So you'll be given this one, number of accidents. Then under that we'll have a number of days. Number of days. Then it is in table manner. This is how it's given. So we have 0 to 4. Then we have 5 to 7. Then we have 8 to 10. Then we have 11 to 13. Then you have 14 to 18. Can't you see now this grouped data? Yeah? Just understand. Then we have under these 2, 5, 10, 8, 5. This is how the question will be framed in a horizontal manner. In a horizontal manner. Then you are going to place it vertically when you want to solve it. Remember, this is the question. You are told calculate the mean number of accidents by day. Full stop. So this is the question. We have frequency and the grouped data. So you come here and write, you can place it like this. Write these two. We have number of accidents. Make sure you check your space here. You utilize your space wisely. So we have number of accident. Then under that, we will also next to that we'll have a number of days. Number of days. Then we will have our midpoint. And then after midpoint, what you're gonna do is you can get deviation D, which is gotten x minus a, close the bracket. Then we'll have FD. So this is what you're going to do. Guys, understand this thing, yeah? this is what we'll be having. Number of accidents. So here I'll write F. Then here X. And the midpoint X. So what I will do is I have here 0 to 4. Then close this line. Then I'll have 5 to 7. Then close this one. Then I'll have 8 to 10. Then go there. So we have 11 to 13. 11 to 13. Then we have here. Then we have 14 to 18, which is the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for the frequency, we have 2, 5, 10. 2, 5, 10, 8, 5. 2, 5, 10, 8, 5. The midpoint can be calculated by saying this plus this divided by 2. So this will be 2. Midpoint is gotten as adding these 2 then divided by 2. So we'll have 2. Add these 2, 6. Add 9. Add these 2 divided by 2. 5 plus 7, 12 divided by 2, 6. Midpoint. 8 plus 10, 18 divided by 2, 9. This plus this 24 divided by 2, 12. Then here we'll have 14 plus 18 is that 2 divided by 2 is 16. Then when you want to calculate deviation D, deviation is gotten as x minus a, where x are these values and a is an assumed mean. The question here is, which assumed mean are we going to take? And remember that we said in our previous class, we said that the choice of the assumed mean does not affect the calculation. It will not have any effect on the calculation. So we can take either of these, but what we're going to do is, as far as our past concept is concerned, we can add to get the first assumed mean, the lowest value of x plus the highest value divided by 2. So you can say 2 plus 16 is what? 18 divided by 2 is what? Is 9. So our a will be 9, and deviation is gotten as x minus a. So 2, remember the order is x minus a, but it's not a minus x. Understand that? So we are going to say 2 minus 9, that would be negative 6. Then I will have 6 minus 9 is negative 3 for your information. This will be negative 3. This will be 0 because 9 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is what? Is 3. Then we will have here 7. So here remember you have FD. Our F is this one frequency and D is this one. So 2 times negative 7 is what? Negative 14. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. 10 times 0 is still 0. 8 times 3 is what? 24. 5 times 7 is what? 35. So for you not to get confused, what you do, remember we want to get sum of FD. Sum of what? Sum of FD. Add these two negative numbers, it will give us negative 29. Don't forget that. It will give us what? Negative 29. Add these two, it will give us what? Positive 59. Negative 29 plus positive 59, it will give us what? It will give us that which is positive. Yes. Then you will also come here and say sum of F. Sum of these ones. Add these two 10 plus another 10, 20 plus this 10, that. So you will come here, without wasting your time, you will come here. So far you go those values. Remember we said that sum in such mean in such situation, mean is gotten as mean, which is written as x bar is equal to assumed mean plus sum of FD divided by sum of F. In this situation, our mean therefore will be our assumed mean was 9 plus 30 divided by another 30. Sum of FD is 30 and sum of F is also 30. So our mean therefore will be 9 plus, cancel this one by 3 by 3, 1. That will give us 10 accidents. 10 accidents per day. Look at that. So there are 10 accidents by day. So this is how you're going to calculate, my brothers and sisters. I think it's very easy. Just understand, it is very easy. These two will be given. and the table will be given in a horizontal manner during examination. Then what you do, you place it vertically, then get this thing, midpoint. If it is grouped, get the midpoint. The midpoint is gotten as add these two divided by 2. It's very easy. Understand? Yeah? Get this concept. Yeah. Then I'll write for you example 2. Then I'll give you an assignment to do. Son. So let's go and see example 2. I think you're digesting this thing. Make sure you also have your exercise book, your calculator. Remember, I also have my calculator here. Look, I have my calculator. Though this is very easy, it's a matter of adding and multiplying. I don't use calculator. But in a complex situation, we can use the calculator. Don't forget. It is there in my pocket. Carry a calculator, my friends. Don't forget. That will be your weapon. So let's see example 2. Then you understand this thing. Then you do your questions in the textbook. Let's go and see this one. Example 2. Remember, I'm helping you when you are staying at home because of the spread of this pandemic disease called corona. Corona is actually restricting our students in their respective cottage where they live in. So what you do, take advantage when you are at home. Okay, let's try it. Example 2. We are told this will be example 2 this time. Example 1 has gone. You're told the edges of a lump of people, were recorded in the table below. So this is the table. We have age. We have what? Age. Then we have also frequency under that. Frequency. Age in what? In years. So let's come up with our table, yeah? Let's come up with our table. So I have 21 to 23. Then I have 24 to 26. Then I have 27 to 29. Then I have 30 to 32. 30 to 32. 30 to 32. Then I have 33 to 35. I have what? 33 to 35. Then I also have that 6 to that 8. So let me extend this one. I have here that 6 to that 8. That 6 to that 8. Then I have 39 to 41. 39 to 41. Then let me close this thing. Remember, this is 41. Let me close. So this is the table given for your information. Under that we have 3, 6, 10, 16. 3, 6, 10, 16. Okay. We have 9, 4, 2. 9, 4, 2. My brothers, this question is just like the previous one. As you can see, you are given a table which is horizontally placed with grouped data and frequency. So you are going to place this one. You are told, but this information here, you are told using a suitable assumed mean, comma, calculate the mean age of the people. Calculate the mean age of the people. The mean age of the people. Calculate the mean age of the people. Calculate the mean age of the people. Okay, let's come back here. As usual, we are going to say, we write here age. We write a what? H. Then after that, let me write H here. We have H. Then we will have what? Frequency. Frequency. F. Then I will have what? Midpoint. Then I will have deviation, which is gotten as x minus a. Then I will have FD. Don't forget that. So let us actually try our best to solve this question like the previous one. So this is what we're having. Let us try to solve this thing. So what are we going to do? We have 21 to 23. Our frequency what? 3. Right there 3. Then complete this line. Then you have 24 to 26. 24 to 26. Then we will have what? 6 under that. Then we have 27 to 29. 27 to 29 is what? 10. Then we have also 30 to 32. I will have 16. Then 33 to 35. 33 to 35. I will have 9. I will have what? 9. Then 36 to 38. I have 4. Then 39 to 41. I have 2. So how can I get the midpoint? Look here. Midpoint will be 21 plus 23 divided by 2. It is 21 plus 23. That's 44 divided by 2 is what? 22. This is 22. Add this one 50, 25. Add this 2, it will be 56, 28. 56 here divided by 2, 28. Add this 2, that 1. That 1. So actually you can understand that the class interval is what? 3. So add this 2, that is what? 68. 68 divided by 2 is 34. Add this one, 72. No, 74. Divided by 2, that is 7. Then add this 2, that is 80. Divided by 2 is what? 40. So there is class intervals of what? 3. So there is range of 3 here. Just understand. So our deviation, what you can do is deviation is very easy. What you can do is for you to get assumed mean, the right, for you to get the best assumed mean, I told you in our previous examples, add the lowest value plus the highest value. That will give us what? 22. 22 plus what? Plus 40. That is 62. Divided by 2, you will get it. It is here, that one. It is the middle one. Can't you see now we have 3 down and 3 up there? So we will take our A as what? Our A as 31. So that 1 minus this one is negative 9. That 1 minus this one is negative 6. That 1 minus this one is negative 3. That 1 minus that 1 is what? 0. That 1 minus this one is, that 4 minus that 1 is what? 3 positive. 6 here, minus that 1, 9. Get FD. Remember this D. 3 times negative 20, negative 9 is negative 27. 6 times this one, negative that 6. 10 times negative 3, negative that. Negative what? Negative that. Then 6, negative what? Negative that is 16 times 0 is 0. 9 times this one is what? 27. So 4 times this one, 24. Then we'll have this times this is what? Is 18. When you sum the negative ones, these ones, when you sum them, it will be how much? That would be 93, negative 93. If I'm not wrong, add 27 plus that 6 what? Is 63 plus that is what? 93. Add these ones also. Add these ones, it will be, add these 2, it will be 51, 69. 51, 69. So 69, yeah. So sum of FD will be, add negative 93 plus this one. It's how much? Negative 93 plus this one is 24. Negative 24. negative 24. Then what you're going to do is, actually what we'll be doing here is, let's get also sum of f. Sum of f is what? This plus this, add them, this plus this, so much is 9, 19, 35, 44, 48, 50. That's what? That's 50. Don't get, you should not be frustrated. This is very easy. By the way, this is what? This is very, very easy, guys. So I know that mean, which is written as this, assumed mean plus sum of f divided by sum of f. So mean therefore is equal to, remember our assumed mean was what? That one plus, say plus, then we have negative 24 divided by what? By 50. So remember, when you have plus and minus, it will be what? It will be minus. So this is what you're going to do. Negative 24 divided by 50 is what? 0.48. So our mean therefore will be that 1 minus 0.48. That 1 minus the answer, it will give us what? 30.52, which is 30.52. 30.52. Then right here, yes, because we are talking about h. So that is what we are going to do for how we are going to calculate such kind of question in an examination. Guys, before I say hi to this class, I'll give you one classwork for your information or assignment so that you do during your free time, and that will be the end of calculating the mean of group data for your information. Let's go and get the assignment. Let's go and what? Get the assignment. This is the assignment, guys. Our assignment will be this one. Okay, this should be class assignment. You'll be doing classwork. This is our classwork, yeah? You are told the table below shows the age of distribution, of workers, the age of distribution of workers in a factory. In a what? In a factory. So this is the table, remember? We have age. We have what? We have age in years. Age in bracket, years. Then under that we have the frequency. So you can straight this line until mother notice. Until what? Until mother, not father, notice. Until mother notice. Look at this one now. We have 16 to 20. Then we have 21 to 25. Then we have 26 to that. 26 to that. Then we have 31 to 35. Then we have that 6 to 40. Then we have 41 to 45. Then we have 46 to 50. So you have here 2, 10, 12, 17, 15, 17, 15, 9, 5, 9, 5. So you are told calculate the mean age. Calculate the mean age using a suitable scale. A suitable assumed mean, sorry, assumed mean, suitable assumed mean. Make sure you calculate and get, follow the right procedure, and make sure you subscribe and share this with your brothers and sisters who are suffering at home level. Otherwise, my brothers and sisters, I wish you the best.